What are your plans for Valentine's Day? This was a satire piece that they do it every year. There
Yeah,
is a reason why.
Why are they anti Valentine's Day though? Why do they want to
Yeah,
kill
that's also a good
Valentine's
question.
Day? Interesting campaign. I like it. I
Oh,
like the
fuck off.
the
Fully love it. I would be a part of this gimmick just because it's funny.
You're
and here we
probably
go.
wondering what a middle-aged guy is doing in a five-star ad. My team has analyzed hundreds of trends and discovered something mind-blowing, that every fad ends the same way. With uncles. When uncles join a trend, the youth instantly lose interest in it. It happened to social media platforms, skinny jeans, YOLO, and many others. But it hasn't happened to the worst trend of all, Valentine's Day.
Touchy
So,
topic.
uncles, it's time to take one for the team.
Dates until everyone else feels out of place. So recruit an uncle for this historic mission. Enjoy your commission and sit back and enjoy what's probably the last Valentine's Day ever. Doing nothing. Join us on destroyvalentinesday.com.
Destroy
Best shit in ages.
Valentine'sDay.com.
I love
What do
it.
you guys?
I
What
like
did
it.
you guys think of this?
20 on 10 to this dude.
Guys, just 1 second. Can you, Parikshit, can you read the caption out loud?
And also, can you visit the website after this? I haven't seen it.
But please, Parikshit, read the caption.
We tried to survive it. We tried to escape it. This time we're ending it for good. Join the mission on destroyvalentinesday.com. Comments are positive though. 5-star ads getting better. Thumbs up. Good luck, uncles. You all geniuses. These guys never disappoint for real. Sugar daddies right now.
Mission uncle.
Do you want to check out the website?
Yes.
Can you still see my screen?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can.
Loading speed is pretty high, like fast.
Yeah, pretty good.
Very good. Okay. Recruit an uncle. I'm gonna click on that.
Very mission impossible of them.
Yeah, get OTP. Okay. Share this link with an uncle you'd like to recruit for this mission. So Harsh, I'm sending you a link. Just,
Smart.
just help me out.
If your candidate is selected, you'll receive a commission in your inbox. Wait, are they actually making a whole team
How
of
do I
uncles?
Copy the link.
Yeah, I'm so curious now. Like,
Wait, am
where
I
does
going to
this
see
end?
uncles? I will go out on Valentine's Day just to see uncles. I swear to God, if there's a cafe where I'm seeing a bunch of uncles sitting with like those hard shirts, I will lose my shit.
What if you come to know, Raisa uncle, like your dad has been very
Every
close.
time you guys are talking about how much you guys have enjoyed and how much you're gonna, enjoy being alone on Valentine's Day, मेरे background में वो बज रहा है मेरा background में.
So
I'm like,
what? But
how
wait,
forever
what
alone are you
happened
guys?
then? Okay, but what happened now? Matlab,
So now
where
they
does
gave
this
me a
end?
link. They gave me a link that I put on chat for Harsh.
Arey, bro, it's now the uncle side of things.
You. Oh wow,
Oh.
enter your phone number. What happens now?
Are?
Initiate interview.
Shit.
Wow. Harsh qualifies.
So basically, it's gonna ask your age. It's gonna
Yeah.
and you have to. It's asked for a microphone, so it's gonna record your age, It's gonna. What are your plans? What are your plans for Valentine's Day? What songs do you like? And where are you gonna be on the Valentine's Day? So basically, three questions overall, 3 or 4 questions. Uh,
Interesting campaign. I liked it. I like
oh,
the
fuck off.
way they started it. It really had my attention.
I liked the ad, but I'm not so sure about the entire customer
Yeah,
journey.
I'm
Like,
so. I'm. There is
Why
a
are they
reason why.
Why are they anti Valentine's Day though? Why do they want
yeah,
to
that's
kill
also a good question, which I did not understand.
Every brand always harps on, oh my god, love is in the air, everything's so red and it harps.
No, but all other brands also harp about the fact that you're gonna be alone for Valentine's Day. Sorry,
Dude,
Parikshit. Sorry,
it's,
Vedanti. Sorry,
this
Raisha.
is the same time where. Hey, shut the fuck up. This is the same time where Cadbury is gonna come out with one more of the kiss me, hold my what? Hold your hands, I don't know whatever the fuck that song is. This is the same time Cornetto is gonna come back with, oh, you wanna have my Cornetto? So at least
Oh.
one confectionery brand
Are
should
they
come
trying
out.
to like?
Yeah,
Are
one
they
of
trying?
them saying ki fuck you all.
5-star is
Oh, this
destroying Cornetto and Cadbury's love me angle. So
this is
go
like
for
being
it.
creative for the sake of being creative for no reason.
But hasn't
Which
5-star's ads have always been funky and out of this world? So
I felt like it was misguided, not aggressive, more like misguided. Why are you trying to like why were you? What are you going for? That I didn't see an answer to that question. Okay, destroy Valentine's Day, but why? क्यों भाई? मुझे हक है यार एक डेट पे जाने
So
का.
I have one small thing.
Hey, we
They
don't want
do
to talk
have an.
about that.
Hold on. They are running ads on this, but it's a double click ad that is for brand. They're leading them to the landing page that we just saw, destroyvalentinesday.com. What are they gaining out of it?
They want signups. They want signups. That's
Okay,
what
agency को brief मिली होगी, क्या मिली होगी, according to you guys?
I've been
and
thinking.
result
Yeah.
is going to be a video that shows how many impressions they got, how many clicks they got, engagement kitna aaya. But if they don't end this properly on Valentine's Day, that case study is not going to matter.
Yeah.
Ogilvy ने किया है ये.
I
Actually,
And,
Ogilvy ने किया है?
Yes.
Ogilvy has
I
way
think
too many CDs. And they're
And
like,
another
Oh.
thing is
भीड़ लगी है भाई
Ogilvy
CDs की.
Ogilvy ऐसे
ये
भी downsize कर रहा है.
last year भी किया था इन लोग ने, and this year they've continued on similar anti-Valentine topic. I'm just reading out something somebody quoted. This is by the Chief Client Officer, Wavemaker India. So when it comes to building an anti-culture narrative, we know that one size fits all approach just won't cut it. Disrupting popular norms and triggering conversations requires a unique and differentiated approach to media. For this mission, we teamed up with some cool influencers and our hosts, carefully chosen to help us achieve our goal as a countdown to the time something blah blah blah. So buckle up and brace for impact as Cringe Vinash is about to rewrite cultural narratives like never before. So this is about the campaign that happened last year, not this one. But
लेकिन सुन के अच्छा लगा.
The more we discuss it, I feel like it's more of a miss, like hit or miss वाला
Yeah.
miss है.
It was just, it's just very creative. That's all.
they're just trying to trigger a conversation basically. That's all.
It's just memories. That's it.
And
Iska ROI is not much.
they had us with the whole uncles destroying everything,
They
and
did.
then that's it.
They
That's
did.
it. The first 20
It's just
seconds was like,
fun.
yeah.
Like, in this whole heap of very lovey-dovey, tum mere pyar ho bullshit, suddenly someone's
Ah.
So
like
in short, satire.
Valentine's ki.
In short, satire. This was a satire piece that they do it every year. Every year they get 50 to 60 million views. Users
But-
who come and sign up or see the ad or talk about the 5-star ad.
I could see Parikshit and Raika's reaction when the ad was going on, and I was amused. Both of them were like, ah.
I loved it. And then
I really
It's
loved
like-
it.
It left me with a question mark at the end. Like why destroy Valentine's Day? It left me with that question. And I
Yes,
was
this is
hoping
why
to
I
get
was
answers
thinking.
from the website, and I still didn't get answers from the website, So
I just
Yeah.
had fun with the website. क्या करना है, मेरे को नंबर ईमेल देना है, मुझे तो पता है किसके लिए ले रहे हैं वो. Oh my god, we got so many clicks and sign-ins on my website during our campaign. Fully love it. I would be a part of this gimmick just because it's funny.
Just look
हाँ.
at 5 Star का past record also. I think इससे पहले वाला कैंपेन उन्होंने कुछ AI के अगेंस्ट किया था. अगर आप लोग मैंने सोशल समोसा पे पढ़ा था, तो आई एम नॉट वेरी श्योर. मैंने वो पूरा एड नहीं देखा था, बट
Do nothing. 5 Star presents Make AI Mediocre Again.
AI पे किया है. स्क्विड गेम पे उन लोग ने काफी कुछ किया. Squid Game particularly because
This-
again
This
वो
is
पूरा था.
so. This is a brand which has monies to spend. This is their trending topic that they can do with a lot of monies. Fair point.
Let's
fair
rate
point.
it.
Okay. Who wants to go first?
Raisha already gave during the reaction. She already gave 20 on 10.
20 on 10.
She did?
Oh wow, that's a first.
That is a first. Okay. Yeah. Vedanti, go next. Go.
8.
I'll give it a 6 because I still didn't know why they're trying to kill.
It invoked an emotion. It invoked a triggered responsibility from your end, and you're still giving it a 6. I
Yeah,
don't
because
believe you, my friend.
because they didn't close the loop for me.
Yeah.
They have. Okay, makes sense.
And
I
It's
am gonna
been
go.
time for them to close the loop. This is supposed to be a Valentine's Day campaign. The loop closes on Valentine's.
See, he doesn't have a date. That's why he's not been able to close the loop. So
Harsh.
I cried when we were watching the ad. I was like, why are you guys doing this to me?
I'm
Like,
gonna park it with Vedanti. I agree with the 7 rating. I'm
7.
gonna
Yeah.
park it with Vedanti. मेरे को हंसी बहुत आई बॉस.
Anyway, that's the end of episode 5, guys.
Yeah.
This was a long-ish one. Raisha, thank you for joining us. How was your experience? Please do share.
I
How was
honestly,
this for you, Parashar? How was this episode
had-
for you? It was
ads are great from many. If you change your perspective, every ad is good enough. That's just sounds like a Valentine's Day campaign, but pun not intended. If you have
No,
a social
but I
message,
do want to say this was very fun, guys. I think because of like the humdrum of ads every single day, I don't have fun discussing ads anymore. And this was definitely a breath of fresh air.
yeah.
Please.
thank you guys so much for tuning in. We had a great episode. We watched some amazing ads, just like every time. High energy, and I can't believe we actually discussed trending topic Valentine's Day, which the nation really gives a shit about. So make sure you tune in, watch our episode, like, share, subscribe, follow us on Instagram, say hi to Raisha, Vedanti, Harsh, and check out my music. It's coming out soon, Bhanja Music. See you guys.
लंबी रातें कुछ दिन से चल रही है यार, मैंने छोड़ दिया था फिर